Hey friends! I hope you guys are having a good week and the start of your weekend. So today I'm going to be trying out a new hot air brush. A company called Joyyum sells this airbrush pro styling hot air brush on Amazon. It's pretty cheap. It runs about $30. And thank you to Joyyum for sending me this. I'm gonna try it out today. I do want you to know I'm gonna give you my completely honest feedback and kind of see how it compares to my other Kenra hot air brush. So we will get started on this. Just kind of a side personal note, skipped last week. I was not feeling too great, but don't worry, it wasn't COVID or anything. So I'm feeling much better and really just hunkered down still. I know a lot of places are kind of trying to go back to work and go back out into society and opening up stores and that type of thing. Personally, I don't think that changes anything for me or my family. We're gonna still stay close to home as we were before. What's going on in your side of the world? How are you doing? Are you starting to get back out there? I think there's a lot that has been going on and I still think we need to stay super safe. Anyways, I hope you and your families continue to stay safe through all of this. So let's get started. I'm gonna first start by spraying my favorite sea salt spray texturizer from Osensia on my hair. I've pretty much just been using this after the shower. I love it. And it smells so good. All right, and then we will open this box. I'm starting to get to where I'm needing another color soon. Kind of thinking I'm gonna do it next weekend. In the next 2 weekends, I might get my mom to trim my hair again. So in this box, so we've got, it looks like the base here. I have done no reading on this, so don't even know what the attachments are for, but it looks like there's gonna be a couple different attachments to plug into this base here. Okay, here is the first one. Just looking at this, it's a pretty large barrel. It looks to be maybe an inch or an inch and a quarter, but let's see, this would go in here. And then you turn it to the right and it clicks into place. That's pretty cool. Okay, so the next piece in here, there's 2 more pieces that could potentially fit on this. Looks like it has a smaller barrel size, which I'm happy about because that's gonna be better for my hair, which looks to be maybe 3/4 inch or so. So those are the 2 barrels. I like how easy it is to plug the new piece in. And then there's one more piece. This looks more like for long hair, and it looks just like a brush here. So we'll take this out. And it looks like a brush. So I think I'm gonna try this first. I personally don't think this one's gonna work for me. This looks like a long hair thing, but I'd like to try all 3 out just to try them. And I'll probably end with this one. So let's do this one first and try to see how it feels. I'm really interested in the power. It says it's 1,000 watts. So that has been one of the major complaints about a lot of hot air brushes is the power doesn't seem high enough. There are 3 settings. There's cool, low, and high. I usually use the high setting on my other Kenra hot air brush, so I'm gonna start with the low. Now I'm gonna try the high. I'm pretty impressed with that so far. It seems to be more airflow than the Kenra hot air brush. These bristles are kind of like rubber, so they don't hurt your head or anything. But I wanna try the big barrel now. Maybe if you're looking for just a straight style, like a sleek style, this might be the thing to do, this one. So I might actually use this one more often than not. Let's try the big barrel. I'm gonna go straight to high. By the way, the cool shot is for at the end when you want to kind of solidify the style. You can put it on cool shot and that will do it. Okay, as I figured, this is probably a little bit too big for my hair. But that being said, I think it would still style my hair just fine. But for the purposes of actually styling my hair, I want to move to the smaller barrel size. What's interesting is this bigger barrel size has air holes right here, whereas this one doesn't. It looks like the intake might be through here. All right, here we go. I'm gonna really style my hair with this one now and see how it goes. Okay, pause for a second. I feel like the smaller barrel is a little bit harder to use than the bigger barrel, so I'm gonna do a switcheroo here. I'm gonna switch out the smaller barrel for the larger barrel. It doesn't seem to be grabbing my hair as good as the larger barrel was. Still having trouble with it grabbing my hair, like taking a hold like my other hot air brush does, but my hair is getting dry. Let me try the small barrel again. All right, and just to finish it off, I'm really trying to figure out which one is my favorite. The attachment that I thought would only be good for long hair would be this one, and I'm gonna try that. That way I can give you kind of my honest first impressions at the end of this video. Okay, so I went through all 3 attachments several times. I'm gonna put a little bit of Kenra Platinum Texturizing Taffy to finish off the style, and I'd like to talk about my first impressions of this Joyyum Hot Air Brush. So, first impressions are that I actually made a judgment on this attachment thinking that it was best for long hair. I personally, out of the 3 attachments, I did like this attachment the best out of these 3, and here's the reason. These had trouble grabbing my hair. Like, I don't know if my hair is too thick or maybe I'm not using it right, but compared to my Kenra Hot Air Brush, which doesn't seem to have a problem with, you know, grabbing the hair and being able to dry it in a curl. That being said, this attachment with the higher power, and it is pretty high powered. It's definitely higher powered than my other hot air brush that I have, the Kenra. This one would be really nice to use just for a quick blow dry. Just if you're not worried about putting curl, any type of curl in your hair, I actually really liked this attachment. It got a lot of the airflow and it was really easy to just kind of comb my hair dry. I actually used to use something very similar when I had long hair many years ago, and I loved it. So if you have thinner hair, I bet one of these 2 would work for you. Probably this one if you have super short hair, but if you have a bit longer hair, which is where my hair is at this moment in time, this one would be fine if you're just looking for some volume, not curl. I also noticed that my head got a little bit hot with this on high, so if that's the case, you would just put it down on low. But again, my favorite attachment is this one, which it's still hot right now, so I would just say be careful if you do use a blow dryer with this one, and I would try not to touch that too much. Just let it cool off. So all in all, 30 bucks. It's not very expensive. If you're looking for a hot air brush that will do a quick style, I would have probably bought it for sure, but thanks to Joyyum, they sent me this one. But I do like this better only because my hair is too thick for these little bristles to grab on, and I just struggled with being able to hold the curl while I was drying. But that being said, my hair does have a lot of volume right now. I just did a simple style here, but let me show you the sides, the back. So I am looking for how quick can I get my hair done in the morning before work. This is probably something I might reach for. I'm gonna play with it this week, over the next couple weeks, and maybe give these another shot to see if maybe my technique is just not quite right with these. But I will keep trying on these, and I'm sure I'll feature this in another video coming up when I'm just needing to blow dry my hair. So it doesn't hurt to have lots of tools. I'm starting to get too many tools, honestly, just because I do videos on tools a lot. Anyway, I hope you guys have a wonderful week. Thanks for watching this video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed yet, I'd love to have you. And I hope you all are safe and well. So I will see you next week. Take care. Bye.